Hey, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm essentially gonna do a team that I wanted to do before, but unfortunately I did not pull Janemba. So yeah, I don't there will not be unfortunately commentary on the videos because I didn't record that. So, I just but I mean the gameplay is still there, but yeah, I don't know, man. I just yeah, I'm sorry for that, but hopefully you also enjoy it, but I mean yeah, so yeah, man. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know what else to say, man.
Take this! Take that! Take that! Wait! Put up a fight, why don't you? Take this! Here are you! Ha!
All you have, plus a bit
I can put up! I got you!
All you have, plus a bit
This ends now! I got this. I will end you! Take that! They have it! Ha! I'm gonna blow! I refuse to lose! Get back! I'm going to enjoy this. Vanish! Take this! I will end you! My turn. I got you! Not over here! Nowhere to run! Shenron gave me quite a bit extra. Killing you now would be pointless.
I will win this! Leave it stop! Oh no, you...
Switch! You're pretty good, but how about this? That's
It's not working!
got you.
All right, that's good.
Take this!
You all right? I'm... How about this one?
I can took. There's the
I'm coming! I see you! Leave it to me. I'll end it right here. Into the line.
Let's end this. I'm gonna blow! Let's do this.
I'm coming! I see you! Is that all you've got?
All you have, plus a bit extra.
Oh no.
Haha. Next time I see Shenron, I'll have to say thanks.
Feel my wrath!
Let's see if you can at least provide some entertainment.
Cool, cool. Come on!
Switch!
There! Red. No!
I got this.
It's over! I'm done playing!
I can handle this.
So yeah, man, that's about it for the video, and genuinely I'm surprised that Piccolo pulled through that much, because a lot of y'all know
You lack training. Come back when you're
that I
strong.
wasn't really the biggest fan of Revival Piccolo. He, for me, was just a waste of CC, but then with this Regen team, I feel like he does pretty well, you know? He's pretty good, but unfortunately we couldn't find Janemba, so that's who I was low-key anticipating to fight, but unfortunately that, maybe for the next video, sure, but until then, man, I'ma see y'all when I see y'all, so, you know, see ya. Okay, so originally the video was supposed to end, but then bro, I just had to fight Janemba. That's the thing. But unfortunately, here for this match, this guy forfeited, if I'm not mistaken. But for the next clip, in fact, there are two clips. The other one I'm gonna reload afterwards because I didn't want to make the video too long. So I had two fights against Janemba. Yeah, I'm gonna upload the shorter one now, and then I'm gonna upload the other one separately because I think it was like a 7-minute, 5-minute battle. So I just didn't wanna have the video drag out in a sense. So yeah, y'all enjoy this battle, and then I'm gonna upload the next one. I don't know, but I will.
Take that! Take that!
I can handle Time I got serious.
Who are you? Take
Switch.
All you have, plus a bit extra.
Time to finish this. I got you.
you?